No peeking, or I'll smack you both on the ears.
Right, I've only got. Right, okay, I've only got them. Obviously, I haven't got you. Yeah.
No, I don't want me in it.
Okay, all right, ready then.
No, wait, hold on. Which is? Right, 1, 2, 3, go! It wasn't supposed to be. I didn't know he was going to be in it on Monday.
Oh, brilliant.
Merry Christmas! Mum, yours is very good. Yeah.
Oh, isn't it?
Very good. You said you always wanted one.
Let's have a look.
They are the right way round the outfits, aren't they?
Yeah,
I like to
yeah.
rely on Lee for the print screen. Very good.
Oh, very good. So you should play it as well.
Oh no. No, I didn't know until Monday when it was given to me. I didn't know that
He's got my nose.
I didn't know that you was going to be in it as well.
I'm not
You know
sure.
who did it?
Who?
Matt Chapman.
Did he?
I paid him to do it, and then I got him some whiskey to say thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Very good, isn't it?
It's got the fittings on the back for the to hang it if you want to hang it.
I'm not sure I'm allowed to.
Kitty's not allowed.